Erigiro bwakwa mulethiria wa Meru TV uri na Jumatano indongi iri tariki 2 mweri niyo mwanja mwaka niyo ngiri 2025 kakwatyo weni kirinteto cia Meru TV muthenya betawa Tini Babu na tukiambi mbunge wa Isiolo mbunge kiatigania isi mpuru abori akiaire na etithia bikibiki kulukia ngiri ile musie kwawe na baikirite wirani ati hata na mbere na kubakaria na kinya kutira bate kuthangirwo kaita karaba kuritangu icio kulukina barombete ngwataniro na kinya kubaure wita na mbere kumwata mbaru kiri uritingu ibwawe
Etithia babikibiki nkurukia ngiri 3 mucho kuma bunge weshiwa mbunge ketiganisti mporo abori pararatimanite na boko arire mantu ya igi sekte ya bikibiki akibarire mporo abori nibaikirite wera na getana mbere kumba kwithira kibakaria na kubatethia ugire ngwichio.
Watu wa pikipiki mmekuja hapa siku ya leo usiku kwa kusalimia mimi, si ndio? Na mmeletea baraka na mmeombea, si ndio? Lakini anakuwa kwa tombe kidogo bamenyera tema TTI tukamenya tema barabara kuna tetu amenya tema university yetu wakaia tukamenya tema tukamenya huduma center ito ya tema tukamenya affordable houses hizi ndo wako na yochwa ibo kana zora kanjabwe ibo kana jabwe wangapi wa mziki kwa mbona ibo ndio tega mageto kana opeo mwende tega mageto kana opeo Wao kumakuo wate kutangue brandu ya tuma bonda Utenge nene Wewe nene Ubo kwenda tuntango tu ya mwa Ubo kwenda tuntango tu ya mwa Ubo kwenda to sire tu ya mwe vyo ni amsie Tutonge yetu ni wana bonda Ababu kumya sirie kwenda tweke nene kemwe toke akuombana Babu kwa wana bonda ano kumnyana to nominate kinyanto ba kuma bonda ya tena to nyama za to bana kwa umetaka sekta ya bonda uko kwenda huko magame neto tuweto entre moi uko kwenda tora mero yonga to ya MC mero ngatu bwana to itango eu
Noe Constance manager fwe muikira ngake aire no baure iti wete na mbere kutha kwa tampura bori mbaru kendo makwithira kiberetera mirandi ya wete na mbere ntere iche gishumbuke kike tiganisti
to bakure kiuria bari uria nimbe mwesimu mporocho akethirikari akwenda obwira tutwira na intotiania bitona muntu okubithia la miekunate etwere kuringa siasa miaka na miaka etona thirikari wekira burenda ruareru twanjiria wekira tumure lwame turinge miaka inge 15 etona wekira antu baraba kwenda turumaru to mapema barenda turumaru twarekana alamie kuna tekenda bona byo turaira lakini mwesimu mporo kakwere awira ari umwa moyo mume akiauka kumama mama ira mwiko yuke wato bikimwa aokira Kwareto kwaria bagwe titi aira twenombe kindori weskiza titi aira twenombe kindori mwesimu mporo ambethere na 150 amesukuma mwaka yo mbere ekinjethiana mana tandatu amesukuma mwaka yo ile ekinjethiana ngirina mana tandatu na 30 ware ukiaweta mekindori ageni kabo yorikuo mtora na saluni aina bausuka ora na kinyozi aina bakwenja ora na hoteli aina bakuria ora akita nyumba aina bakomboranetia ora na bikibiki aina kuko kama tambua kiumia kiathirire turare amuchamania ara konjo toto mi mwesimu mporo aretete university kuma Tharaka University ya wakonjo akwenda obwira university yete okeria ntobeto pa mekindori pa thangatha pa kiochana batiane yonthe no tote no university ta akore maokira sawa sawa okiakwa ile poko to mekindori na milioni 320 iti mbesa za CDF imbesa cha kuromba ke thirikari ukailela thoko eto emulika ire advertise ina milioni 1 na ne yeta wakwa huma ke mwesimu mporo ukaile titia yeto iromberi cia milioni ya rimwe niki yeta wakwa ara sukuru ukiaweta kiochwa kwena nyumba ile cia fonda bossing Siromberi 1.3 billion Mheshimiwa Mpuru na isi yeta wakwa kiuchwa urenda tuwe tutamu into bibiete orimwe urenda tuwe one time biete bionde urenda tuwe one time biete bionde tonyenyeke kidogo tubikarie amtura tuera tumeleke thirikari mapema tumwire atia akwenda kwa turi atubaba ume
othiete thibikibiki baibekite wirani na bakauga bakethira bakithura Mpuru wa Buri kwa kipindi giki miaka 5 kumania no rutingwe boke brabethirite bakiona kwa miaka 2 ire thirete rotongore ni mwanka thai
sema ndio baba baba tamumana mwile kumbi weka mkono tutam baba tutam harambe tutam weka harambe weka tutam asanteni sana wa Meru. Haya tuweke tena harambe tutam weka mbili harambe tutam lami yetu tutam Mekindori tutam kila mtu tutam weka tutam asanteni.
Kiripoti ya Meru TV kumatia Mbetanda Msimuturia wa Thirinja.
Hivi sana Adams Muturia wa Thirinja no ntobori botu na njira inkinyaniro na waziri wa Karibondene na wathani bo matura Kipchumba Murkomen witiasia bunge nibetite na mbere kuthondeka mawatho nikenda kuriria moya mauthu kujara ya kumirarira kuri na maandamano kulukina kuromba Akenya na polisi kwithira bari na ngwataniro.
Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen, Minister wa Karibondene na wathani bo matura akiaria muthenya jwa narua ari nterecha Embakasi Nairobi na ugite ni bagwatanirite na jumbe nikenda bagakurukia mawatho kiri mbunge nene ja kurigiria maandamano ja winyangia na kinya gukurukia mawatho kathumba jara ja kethira ja gikira mburiki maandamano kejana mutaratara ja ure maandamano ja kethira ja kithitho na ndi gwita na mbere.
To say that to bring public order again and to really protect our police officers going forward, we are going to work together with Parliament to ensure that there is a Public Order Act that really defines clearly how demonstrations will be done, which routes where people can present their petitions, where can you protest, where can demonstration happen, and then so that you don't inconvenience other citizens, you don't also cause problems around schools, around hospitals, around estates. We need to designate proper areas where people can demonstrate and picket and make sure that time of picketing, of demonstrating is also defined, and we will then be able to protect genuine citizens who want to exercise Article 37 of the Constitution, and we will be able to attack at the goons who may want to come and loot shops and police stations, among others. That way, we will have our country in order. We want to be as helpful as possible. I want to see, it is my dream, and I hope that dream comes soon, that we will have demonstrations in Kenya and protests and picketing that will be escorted by police officers. And the people who are picketing and demonstrating will be carrying their drums, their vuvuzelas, their paraphernalia, regalia, in a very peaceful manner, showing what exactly they would like to protest against, in a very orderly manner, in a designated street, and police officers escorting them. And then after the whole protests, when the time is over, they shake hands with police officers and wish themselves the very best and go home. That is the kind of protest, picketing and demonstration that Article 37 of the Constitution promises.
Kuruki Kipchumba Murkomen na kuromba urumu na ngwataniro gatigati ga Kenya mbunge nene wamwe na kinya rwangi rwa koti.
And I want to be one, I want us as a National Police Service, and I pray the citizens who will be demonstrating will come to our help, and the rest of Kenya, including Parliament, will come to our help. The rest of Kenya, including Judiciary, will come to our help, so that we have proper demonstrations, proper picketing, proper protestation in our designated routes, escorted by police officers. People can wear what they want to wear, and then they go home happy in the evening, knowing that their message has reached the institutions they would like to protest. That way, we will now call ourselves a democracy, but not protests where in the evening lives have been lost, property is lost, and people are suffering immense loss.
Nĩ arĩa akĩrĩkĩria kuga na kũromba kinya rwang'i rwa polisi rwĩthire rũkĩgwatanĩra bunene na akari nĩ kenda ũrũmwe bubu na ngwatanĩro rũkethera rũkĩthiria thanga na mantu jethirĩte jakĩonekana gatagatĩ ka polisi na Kenya.
That's why I also want to say here that we need to infuse the principles of community service. And these are things we want to see the police and the communities working together, visiting each other, getting more reports from the public on issues of crime, and being responsive, making the police station a more friendly environment where Kenyans would like to visit and to report cases of that they face, but sometimes even a place where people just feel good to come and pass by to say, I want to say hi to the police officer who are serving in a police station. So by doing so, we will make our police service responsive to the challenges of our time, but also reflecting of our constitution. I will promise you, as your cabinet secretary, that also on the part of the public, we will continue educating the public to make sure that they respect the police officers, to understand that the police service is not about them, but it's about the community, the country. And therefore, it's important to respect one police officer is to respect the entire police service.
Nkiripotera Meru TV, Beta Jeff Wagitumam.
Na skuli ya primary iri interesi ya Thirugaiti igimbe South kumenyekana ya uria rwe primary iri watine bwa kuingwa nyuma ya aciari kwambĩrĩria wiki anabo skuli ingĩ no skuli ete na irasibia kuthomera na ana bari thomera rungu rwa mitene ndi aciari aritani amwe na akari nibakuromba thirikari kubalikana na ubakira irasibia kwana lepreto kumyedo ni mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Murithi Waba.
Tuonambi ya tuonama tu tuonambi enge
aturi na kari aciari na harimu bena kiriro gikinene basukuru ikumenyekana iria rũĩ rutene rwa Thuria ni ndene ya Thiru Ward ndene ya Igembe South kumania na skulu yao kwithwa ni skulu itina inya na bura butumite aciari baba bakambiria gukira kuona ati ana baba bate kuthoma bwega.
Yani muciari wa skulu iyi batu thine tonete na girasi
iria rũĩ twina thine nene sana irasi na sare ithatu ira sofa bakuthomera nja turingienda thirikari yetu ya county government kulukira ngavana na MCA wetu batutetherie nikenda tukomba kuona irasi biu.
Aya ni nyuma ya irasi bia skulu iji bia nasari kwithirwa bia irasi bitebio birio ana kwithirwa bakithoma ira kenine ka rungu rwa muti untu bura bwithiritwe bwina rwakaĩ runene muno nuntu bwana baba kumanya na mpio na tirire bagurukaira
kwethera bobona na sana kabana ba girasi ne batomba gwata murimo ginyo ya rugora mpio na romu ende tukona mwarimu athirika tutetheria tuone girasi ana bona baguria ba aya kenda na atu tukatha turi aciari tume cukuru area rũĩ nĩ kũmenya thirikari bawagira mwana thene ngitikigea na guria aya kenda tutumba mwana tumba kwa turi murimo nja no ntotha ikinya rũgoro kaurutana mono no goro gucia lakini girasi kirio na akiona ntwa ya guria atomba kurathina akiandika
kuruje ria rũĩ kuma Thirugaiti bena thina inyingi itimwe nontu bwa kwithirwa kinya irasi bia standard 1 2 na 3 kinya bo irasi ne pirapire ijabale ome nontu bwa kwithirwa bia bitharukangite na gukura o amwe na kwithirwa kinya batena itebi biega bia gukarira
raba kuya skuru na baba ingi betha bena thina kuma misi kwa so kinyato sio mete sana kwethia twina na bau twina bo nikenda bakomba kuona kithomo
kukia kura ana twetha cio tuka kinyira kirasi ine kimwe pagiringania kilasi 1 pakaria kuo mbura yathira kura tweta na uturia nja
twenda kinya twe thirikari ya Meru County itutethia kungatha classes structures ira yombo twika bo bwega ndene ECD centers no na coke itunengere mwalimu no among the 3 classes that we have in fact class icio ithatu cionthe ikiria nja utwika uti class kinya kimwe kinya ko transform mwana gweta class kingi kwithira kwena inya muno no twarithiria kona thina uno cio aturire ko akia kuthiria mwaka yo mwa ukila class ne kingi atu auga ati umeria thina uno mwakete ete kinya kungi tukona nya tuchunwa ana ni skura cie kuraya yonto ya gaiti nao cia tuchuna ana no twa kwithira bo barithiria bakona yega kwatianirwe tene
ndiaria mbuguma mugo nokwa rangwenda kugura material kaita mbia ciakwa turamu no bumbura soki bumbura enda ngure thirikari ya county yo yombo twa material yo atutetheria ayo ka skuru etie thirikari
ende nkuromba tuongelwe turerwe kirasi nyirasi ta kwende bikwana tuthoma iranja na betu bathoma iranja na inya batenya materials benacio kou koria county governor wetu asiomie atwakire class aturire materials ira sikwendekana na atwakire class
Mulithi wa banki reporter Meru TV ku maja miligone ya Igembe Athiru Gaiti Igembe South.
Ibaya sana mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Murithi wa Bano tubariboti na njira kinyanero na seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhure Murungi na ula kinyani munini wa speaker bungeni ya Senate na uleti ya Kariba Meru kwa tambaru thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza Rungo Rais William Ruto nikenda bakona witi na mbere yabato kumedoni mwandiki wetu wa Nteto MC Mutonga.
Mheshimiwa Kadhure Murungi uria wi senator wa Meru ntuku ya Narua anombete kwithirwa akiritana mwingi mantu jaria president Ruto ombete kwithirwa akithithia kana thirikari yawe uria ombete kwithirwa akithithia na omba kwithirwa akioneria antu na antu bonthe bomba kugwatanira noe ati gutuka uma kire thirikari iji ni untu ina maendeleo ja maingi nkuruki
hapa. Kumbe kila mtu leo hata yule alikuwa 50-50 amefunguka macho na akaona mwelekeo ni kuunga serikali ya William Samuel Ruto mkono, si ndio? Si tumesema namna hiyo? Ama tumesema namna gani? Bora kendeke Kadhure Murungi Wamonyoro aende asiende, Wamonyoro aende asiende. Ruto amepata pesa ya kumaliza barabara za tangu 2017-2018 era mbweri yakuwaga yara kariene kibagera kiriara. So tumesema sababu sasa baba yetu amepata vitu ya sisi ya kula na vitu yetu ya kula ni miradi ya maendeleo kanana hata sababu miradi ya maendeleo sasa tumepata mingi. Nimesuka kusikia amjajua kwamba tunaleta referral hospital level 6 hospital kama Kenyatta National Hospital ndio tunajenga hapa kwa level 5 hapa Meru kwa hospitali yetu level 5 hospital. So tulete Kenyatta aja Meru. Tutugereo? Tutusema namna hiyo? Nikasuka mko mnajua. Nimewaambia stadium yetu inaenda kuwekwa the best status ya stadium ya Kenoru Stadium. An international facility. Ndio mechi mingi, mpira mingi, AFCON nini wakikuja tunaachua mamilioni hapa Meru. Hiyo kazi rais anaendelea nayo. Stadium ya Maua rais inaendelea kujengwa 50 million. Na nimesema tumetoa recommendation every constituency iwe na stadium yake.
status ya maua ama zaidi. Mmekubaliana na mimi namna hiyo? Ngabo ya every market ira yego kuthoko, every market has been earmarked kujenga modern market. Na zote ziko kutoka every constituency iko na 2, zingine 3, zingine 4. Including na Koromoni tumepewa 800 million kujenga na Koromoni as the best. Kendeke Kaduri Moronge Wamonyoro waende asiende. Wamonyoro waende asiende.
Na jau nijo ndaikia kwithirwa nkiona na nkigua mbita MC Mwitonga ngikuripotera ndene ya Mutindo Njoka Ngangi, Northimenti, Meru TV.
Na riboti ni yetu kira katanta kiri nteto sietu kadho cia mwanya kiri barabonde bombo kinyanithia nteto cia Meru TV muthenya bitawa Tirimbabu.